All right, guys, we've got the 18 by 24 Warasee magnetic dry erase whiteboard. This has a self-adhesive on the back here that allows you to stick it to a wall or a table or anything you'd like to stick it to. You can also use your own adhesive on the back, like tape or something, if you don't want it as permanently attached to the wall. But the first thing I wanted to show you is everything is magnetic. So the eraser is magnetic, the holder for the pens is magnetic, and there's even holders here for other paper. And so this is a very cool unit. It allows you to just kind of have some fun on it. And now I'm going to show you just kind of what it looks like on a table here. What I use to do all these is I usually use my own adhesive, but we're just going to show it on a table right now so you can get a feel for it. All right, guys, so here's the unit right here. I just wanted to show you how awesome it is. Like, these things have magnets right on it. The eraser does. You even have magnets for extra paper. Like, say you want to put a note on your board, you can do that. It's great for either a desk or a wall. So you don't even necessarily have to put this on a wall for it to be awesome to use. This is great for kids or just making notes, like to take Danny to school at 3:30 p.m. Okay, Jim? That's to remind Jim because Jim always forgets to take Danny to school. So this is great. I think it's super cool how easy it is to use. Look how easy that eraser works. It's like brand new. This is awesome. And you need to get this now. Get this now, okay? Bye.